Hi friends, happy Pride Month. Welcome to this inside look at my collection of wigs. Through the years, I've purchased a lot of synthetic hair, and I thought it'd be really fun to document it all. So, as you can see, these are all my wigs laying in my hallway. Let's just throw them on. I'm gonna start with my favorite one. Okay, guys, I tried to be consistent about the makeup, but this lip liner was used on the first day, and I kind of realized I fucked up because it doesn't match every wig that's shot with her, but you're gonna have to forgive me. Hey, look, it's the same wig, but it's straight. P.S. I'm using this frog in the bottom left corner as a signal that I'm switching wigs. After I first put this wig on, I noticed the bangs were a little too long. I took a quick minute to cut them, and she looks so much better afterwards. She has little micro bangs. And then I also paired this black wig up right next to her because they're kind of the same style. These are my little punk rock girls. And now we start the rainbow over with this maroon/pink wig. She's really cute. I'm not gonna give commentary on all of these. As you can see, I also cut this other wig, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Some wigs are better than others. I definitely have my favorites, but let's try not to pit them against one another. Okay, enjoy this insane display of hair. This one's not getting any favors versus the lighting on the last take, but let's get this bad one out of the way. I really wanted to include her though because this one and this next one look the exact same in the bags right next to each other, but it's crazy how much of a difference it makes on my skin tone and how hair can really affect how you look. Right, guys? It's so interesting. This section of blonde wigs is kind of way too long, but I wanted to put them all right next to each other just so you guys can compare because it's kind of really fun how slightly different all of these are. I feel like Meryl Streep in The Devil Wears Prada when they're comparing the belts, and you guys are probably Anne Hathaway watching this. I hate this one. Bye. I'm like, wow, they're all so different. But really, I just look like a Hooters waitress that got herself a couple different curling irons for Christmas. This is one of my all-time favorite wigs. This is me trying to show off exactly how long she is because she goes all the way down to my ass. This is that same exact wig, but I bought a second one just to color her yellow. And congratulations to everyone because this means we've made it out of the blonde portion. This second one, of course, is my wig from my last video that I dyed yellow. She's thriving now. Okay, let me explain this one. I'm dying at the somber music conveniently playing for this one. This is one of my oldest wigs, and I used to use her for my haunted house back in Houston, and she's so matted that she's kind of only used for troll-esque shoots nowadays. But I will tell you after this, she got taken into the garage because she is no longer a house wig. Surprisingly, that was all the yellow wigs that I have, and now we're on to the green. Okay, I wanted to include this one because if you've never bought a wig before, you don't know the struggle of what wigs used to be. And I swear every single wig you could possibly buy online was cut like this. They were so bad. I'm not sure why I still have her, but the hoarder in me is telling me to tease it and make it something gross, possibly for a fun thing in the future. I don't know. This is what 17-year-old me thought the last wig was gonna look like. We are definitely in the slimy green section. This is literally the same wig as the next one, just without bangs, because I love the color so much. This one I also gave a haircut to. I don't know if you saw in my story, but there were a few wigs that I just had to take into my bathroom all at once and cut the bangs of because they were all poking me in my eyeballs. That little shorty concluded our green portion, and now we're on to blue. Okay, 2-second story time. This company gifted me this wig and it was the first lace front wig I ever owned, and I could never wear it because it's giving Suicide Girl. And then of course you get rid of the roots, and she's one of my favorites. I think this is just one of my favorite colors ever because it's so pretty. I just shot a music video in this wig and she still has a bunch of hair wax stuck in her. This one I really have no comment for. She has bangs. I don't really know how to make them stay without spraying them with something. And that's that for now. This one, I wanted to get a close-up on the color because it's basically a blend of pink, purple, and blue. It's so gorge from far away. It's the perfect purple. The color definitely looks more natural than other wigs that I own. This is my transition wig into the pink portion of this video. Here's me in a hot pink wig. If I look like I'm making a bunch of bitchy faces, I think it's just because this wig makes me look like a bitch. I love my light bright pink wigs. I really feel like a kawaii bubblegum burlesque princess in these, and unfortunately this is the end of our colorful long wig portion, and here are some more darker tones. A quick moment for the one brown wig that I own, and then we're on to black wigs. But don't fret, the rainbow restarts into different styles of wig. You'll see, I promise. This is that one wig from that one Jeffrey Campbell Halloween ad that everyone thought was just really, really beautiful. You know the one. This is my spooky little Halloween queen. This hair was so annoying, but I'm not qualified to cut curtain style bangs, so we're just gonna move on. We're now in the white section of wigs, and as you can see by this on-camera moment of exhaustion, that this honestly took so much work. 5 days from probably 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Okay, that's only 4 hours, but like 5 days. I was tired. We are out of the whitey tidy section, and I saved this cute little rainbow number for a nice break from all that black and white. It is Pride Month. Gay, gay. And now we're going to move on to short wigs, including all the bobs. These are my little shorties. I need that clip of the Yin Yang twins shouting, "Shout-ay!" You know what I'm talking about? Which bob is y'all's favorite? Cause this one's mine. Her blend is just so. I really like this wig, but it's giving I will pay the tab, but I do have complaints. As you can see from the list in the caption of where I got all these, I got a few from Annabelle's wigs, but these are the ones that are actually twins. They're the exact same style, just different colors. Okay, we're done with short wigs, and now we're finally into the bouffant section, which I think is the last section of wigs that I have for you guys. Starting off with this first lovely lady who is literally just labeled as Dolly in her little bag, followed by, I think, my favorite one of my little lumpy girls. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with the Auburn girlies. They look so good. I don't know, they have a glow to them. But I realized, even though I should have done this on the first one as well, that I always style these with a little bandana satin scarf wrap thing. I'm so glad I pulled them out. I said I wasn't gonna, but I am. A little moment for the restyling of the bangs because I think I like her better as a middle part. This is my last bouffant wig, and then our final 2 wigs that we have are literally the ones I can't believe that I forgot about and had to come back and shoot on a 6th day. That's why they have different makeup. But these are my standing wigs, the only 2 wigs that I own that have to stay on mannequin stands because they are so big and full of hairspray. They're considered styled wigs. I bought them from a warehouse in Vegas off eBay. You know one of them as the famous Janice, and the other one is my girl Betty. They stay permanently in my room. Ta-da! Here they are on their pink apocalyptic mannequin heads. Did you know that when you spray paint styrofoam, it dissolves and corrodes? Well, I learned. I'm going to show you where and how I store all my other wigs, but first, let's count them up.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78.
Through this process, we managed to get rid of 8 wigs, shown as count. And if you're wondering how I store these wigs, basically all of these are organized by style. All the straighties go in this bad boy, which would be those guys and some of these guys. Natural colored curly wigs go in there, this row.
And then these are the bouffants. All the colorful curly wigs are up here. The shorties, as we call them, go in this plastic guy. Those girls.
This is where I shot this whole thing, and this is the closet where I store all my wigs. Doing a victory lap one last time. You guys can comment which ones are your favorites with their matching emoji symbol thingy. And thank you guys so much for watching. This was something.